Dominion Award winner goes to car number 110, the 1937 Packard 1507 convertible Victoria, Ron and Tina Pack from Smithfield, Virginia. Step on up here and claim your prize if you're still here. And we're ready for our best of early model rolling sculpture sponsored by the Richmond Antique Auto Charitable Foundation. It is car number 102, a 1928 Stutz LeBaron body drop door roadster. Dwight C. Sawback is the owner from Suffolk, Virginia. And there it is on the stand. A big round of applause. Crowd goes wild. Very good. With some prompting. And now you can tell, folks, I saw a Stutz Bearcat. Next up, late model rolling sculpture, Class 1A. The Old Dominion Award goes to car number 124, 1970 American Motors AMX-3 two-door, Bernard and Joan Carl from King William, Virginia. Congratulations. And here comes the best of late model rolling sculptures, sponsored by our host, St. Joseph's Villa. It's car number 123, the 1969 Ferrari 365 GTB/4 Daytona Spider conversion. Charlie Chuck Coley from Mannequin Sabbath, Virginia is the owner. Congratulations. Now Class 2 early American cars. And we just have one great big first place car for you, and it is car number 204, the 1925 Franklin 11A. Sam Kern is the owner from Hudgens, Virginia. Next up, Class 3, the Old Dominion winner, is car number 303. The 1951 Ford Victoria hardtop. John A. Wyatt, Yorktown, Virginia is the owner. Congratulations. And the first place car is car number 308. And they took that thing home. It was a beautiful 57 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Now Class 4. Ford Thunderbird early, and they're gone too, right? The T-Bird's gone. Old Dominion Award went to the 1955 Ford Thunderbird two-door convertible Carl Kloss, Sandy Hook, Virginia, and an Old Dominion Award for the car number 403 1955 Ford Thunderbird convertible Bill Brown from Williamsburg. And first place, but still not here, is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird convertible. It was beautiful. Eric Best from Carrollton, Virginia was the winner. Congratulations. Class 5 is the Ford Thunderbird late. First place went to car number 501, a 2002 Ford Thunderbird Retro. Patsy Gregory from Mechanicsville was the owner. Now Class 6. American Cars 1960 to 67 Old Dominion winner, 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Terry Tomman from Fredericksburg was the owner. And the first place, wow, dreams do come true. A 1964 Pontiac GTO Sports Coupe, Louis Guerra from Kilmarnock, Virginia. So proud of that car, and rightly so. Congratulations. All right, Class 7 American cars, 68 to 1975. The Old Dominion Award winners, car number 702, 1969 Chevy Camaro Coupe. Susan Williams from Mechanicsville owns it. Congratulations, Old Dominion winner for a 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS two-door. Don Ferretti from Mechanicsville was the winner. Congratulations. Another Old Dominion winner, car number 709-72, Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 convertible, David and Donna Brown from Richmond. And our first place winner was a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT Coupe, Bill and Sue Krestek from Waynesboro, Virginia, were the winners. Congratulations. Class 8 Chevrolet Corvette. First place, 1958 Chevrolet Corvette two-door. Jim Trice from Richmond was the owner. Now we move to Class 9 Ford Mustang. First place is a 1969 Ford Pony Sport Roof. Jerry Milner is the winner. Congratulations, Jerry. All right, let's move on to the next class, Class 10, Ford Mustang Late, car number 1001. First place is a 1993 Ford Mustang convertible, Neil and Donna Davis from Rockville, Virginia. Didn't say convertible on the sheet, but they will drop that top. Congratulations. Class 11, American 1976 and newer. First place goes to car number 1101, a 1977 Ford Pinto Cruiser Wagon. Billy Lamb is the owner from Bumpus, Virginia. Class 12, trucks and special interest vehicles. The Old Dominion Award goes to car number 1202, a 1934 Dodge KC pickup truck. Alan and David Julian from Williamsburg, Virginia. And our first place winner is car number 1206, a 1997 Ford F-150 truck. David Small from Henrico is the driver way up in the air. Can you reach up there to give him that award?
I'm trying.
We got a ladder.
Hold on, David.
All right. Class 13 Asian is the category. First place, car number 1305, a 2007 Subaru WRX STI sedan. Eddie Pierce from Richmond, Virginia is the proud owner. Not quite as high a reach on this one. Congratulations, Eddie. And next up we have our Class 14, which is European cars. The Old Dominion Award, car number 1404. It's a 1982 Mercedes-Benz 240D sedan. Joel Cumrow of Richmond, Virginia, the owner. First place, Class 14 European, car number 1402, a 1976 Porsche 911. It looks fast. Carl Lindsay from Richmond, Virginia is the owner. Congratulations, Carl. Mamma mia, it's time for the Italian cars. Here we go, Class 15, first place. Car number 1502, a 1988 Ferrari Testarossa. Two-door, 12-cylinder engine. There's 12 cylinders over there? Wow, 12-cylinder engine. Tony Wilson from Henrico is the proud owner of the Testarossa. And now we move to the Volkswagens, Class 16, first place. Car number 1601, a 1963 Volkswagen Beetle sedan. Al Bryant from North Chesterfield is the winner. Congratulations. He's got his luggage and his surfboard. He's good to go. All right. Next up is Class 17 Modified Early, and the walk-up Old Dominion Award goes to car number 1709, a 1962 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, Stephen Story from Glen Allen, Virginia. Another Old Dominion Award, car number 1705, a 1936 Auburn Model 852 Boattail Speedster replica, Glen and Lona Trebor from North Chesterfield. And first place goes to car number 1701, a 1931 Ford Model A Coupe, Danny Robbins driving his hot rod from North Chesterfield, Virginia. Congratulations, Danny. Class 18 Modified Late Old Dominion Award. The walk-up award goes to car number 1804, 1974 MGB GT Coupe. Mike Alexander V, Henrico County is the winner. And first place goes to the loud car number 1802, the 1974 Mustang Mach 1. Travis Hall from Glen Allen, Virginia is driving. Congratulations. Still got plenty more to go, folks. Class 19 Modified Truck and Special Interest Vehicles. First place, car number 1903, a 19 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside. Alfonso is the driver. He's from Richmond, Virginia. It looks a lot better than my 1969 C10. Sounds a lot better too. Next up, Class 20 Mazda cars. We're going to wait on this C10 to get us going.
Uy, esa Bronco que viene atrás, hermosa, la verdad.
Congratulations. Next up, as we said, the Mazdas Old Dominion Walk-Up Award goes to car number 2007, and it is a 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata Roadster from Nino Sofia from Midlothian, Virginia. And the winner is car number 2002, a 1994 Mazda Miata Roadster belonging to Charlie and Jeannie Pasnot from Glen Allen, Virginia. Congratulations. Congratulations. Looks great. Watch the speed limit on the way home. Next up, Class 21, Early British through 1967. The Old Dominion Award goes to car number 2112, 1966 Morris Mini Cooper S. Rob Tomlinson from Sanston is the proud owner. And our first place car is car number 2109. A 1959 Austin Healey Bug-Eye Sprite Convertible. Tony and Chris Herbert are the owners from Henrico. Congratulations, Bug-Eye. Next up, Class 22, British 1968 and newer. The car is car number 2209. It's a 73 Triumph TR6. Bernie Wilkinson from Mechanicsville is the walk-up award winner. And another walk-up award winner, car number 2205, a 69 Triumph TR6, Dean Tedderton from North Chesterfield. First place goes to car number 2203, a 1968 Triumph TR250 Roadster, Scott Krzyzewski from Midlothian, Virginia is the proud owner. Congratulations. And we had some Jaguar Award winners a few minutes ago. We got another one now. From Class 23 Jaguar, first place is a car number 2309, a 1994 Jaguar XJS convertible belonging to Alice King, who came all the way from Bayboro, North Carolina. Thank you very much and congratulations. Now we move to Class 24, and yes, we do have motorcycles. First place winner, a 1972 Kawasaki H2 Mach 4 750 motorcycle. William Gillespie is the proud owner of Hanover, Virginia. That sounds like a cow. Got your pictures? Congratulations. Thank you very much. All right, I don't think anybody's going to miss seeing this next vehicle. Best of Show Modified. Sponsored by the Page Auto Group. It's car number 1904. 1971 Ford Bronco truck. Jim Milne is the proud owner. John Milne of Manikin Sabbath, Virginia. Congratulations, John. Next time, get a brighter color. And don't get near any bees. We have our very last car coming up here after this. A big thank you to everybody for being so patient with us today and understanding why we had to kind of move it along and move up our awards so we can get out of here and get these precious cars under cover before any storm comes. And it is time now for the Best of Show stock, presented by the Richmond region of the Antique Automobile Club of America. Car number 107, 1930 Duesenberg Model J. Dual Cow Phantom. Dwight C. Sommock is the winner from Suffolk, Virginia. Come on now. No wonder that's the winner. Big round of applause. That's a heavy car. It broke the ramp going up. Oh, broke the other one. You gotta get both of them over it. And away we go. Steel ramps next year. That was close. No harm, no foul. Once again, congratulations. Thank you for attending. We hope everybody got to see everything they wanted to see and got more pictures of it than you can stand. I know I did. I've got so many pictures. My name's Bill Bevins. I'm from Virginia this morning on CBS 6. We'll see you Monday morning. You might see some of these cars again. Have a great weekend and happy Father's Day, Dad.